What is common to all waves or among all waves? All waves carry energy, and we can also say that, as Jana said, all waves have the same characteristics, which are the wavelength, the amplitude, the frequency, the period. And how do transverse and longitudinal waves differ? We had Rida answered this question by defining the two types of waves. So the transverse waves, in which it's a disturbance in which the particles of the medium vibrate in a direction perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave. However, the longitudinal wave is a wave in which the particles of the medium through which it propagates vibrate in a direction parallel to the direction of propagation of the wave. The 24, the figure below depicts a pulse wave traveling on a spring. In which direction are the particles of the motion vibrating? They are vibrating vertically, they are moving up and down. Is this wave transverse or longitudinal? It is transverse because the wave is propagating from left to right, so horizontally, and the particles are vibrating vertically, so they are perpendicular to each other. Now, how far does a wave travel in one period? It travels a distance lambda equal wavelength. If you shook the end of a rope and up and down 3 times each second, what would be the period of the wave set up in the rope, and what would be the frequency? So here the number of flips, which represent the vibratory source that caused the disturbance, equal the number of pulses, equal 3. And the distance for one pulse, we know that the distance for one pulse is lambda. So F is equal to N over total time. 3 over 1 second is equal to 3 hertz, and T equal 1 over F, so 1 over 3 hertz equals 0.33 seconds. Give 3 examples of mechanical waves. How are these different from electromagnetic waves such as light waves? Seismic waves, rock waves, sound waves, all are mechanical waves that require a medium to propagate through. How does a single point on a string moves as a transverse wave passes by that point? It moves in a direction perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave.